Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our brand new 2022 Harris 230 Cruiser that is available at our store in Rogers. Beautiful setup here. This is a tri-tune. It has the performance level 1 package, so it does have a partial tube in the middle. It's got a midnight blue exterior here. We do have docking lights on this pontoon. Silver fence railing. And we do have the big bimini top up there with the blue canvas to match the exterior of the pontoon here. This does have an extended swim platform, safety railing, ski tow bar, and powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. Let's hop up inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome inside our brand new 230 Cruiser from Harris. As you can see here, we've got a beautiful layout. This is the CS L group seating here. We have the beach tan upholstery, nice pillow top, very soft and comfortable, and the desert beige seagrass flooring. Plenty of room back here to hang out, watch your friends and family as they are doing some water sports behind the pontoon. Again, we do have the safety railing here, so you can legally ride underway with passengers back here. As we move into the boat here, again, on all the pontoons that Harris makes, we have plenty of storage underneath the seating here. Cup holders here and ports to charge your phone. Got a nice trash can underneath this compartment as well. And at the helm, we do have the low back recliner here on a swivel, so this chair does turn and it moves forward and backwards. Up at the helm, nice tilt steering wheel here. We have the Lowrance depth finding gauge there and our standard tacks. We've got a spot to charge our phones, and this does have the upgraded JL audio system on here. Moving forward into the bow, we did option this with a removable cup holder so you can move them around the boat to different areas. Again, we have lots of storage on these boats. Guys, this is located at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, walk in, make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.